Hello friends, welcome to Exams Made Easy. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to share an important information regarding AMI Summer 2020 examination. As you can see here on the screen, this is an announcement that has been made by Institution of Engineers India. Through this video I will be discussing this announcement in detail. So friends, before we begin, I would like to inform you that here in Exams Made Easy, you can get each and every information regarding AMI, and we have covered each and every Honorable Delhi High Court verdict in detail. So if you have not watched those videos, link is available in the description box of this video itself. Please watch all those verdicts, and if you would like to get notification of upcoming verdict of 17th August 2020, then make sure to subscribe our channel and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any such further updates. So friends, coming back to the announcement analysis, as you can see here on the screen, so it is regarding the Section AB examination 2020, as I already have told. So friends, the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has caused much disruption in both our personal and work life. This is what is said by the institution. In our case, the summer 2020 Section A and B examination had to be postponed. You can see here it is mentioned, due to the prevailing situation. We fully realize the inconvenience and uncertainty it has caused to our students, and many avenues are being explored to overcome the situation. After that, it is said that keeping the interest of our students in view, it will be our earnest endeavor to conduct the next Section A and B examination in the second week of October 2020, keeping the prevailing situation in mind. So friends, keeping the prevailing situations in mind, the summer 2020 examination is again rescheduled from August to October 2020. So friends, moreover, it was also mentioned that we will keep you updated on the issue and look forward to your consideration in these unprecedented times. So friends, this is all about from the institution, and their target is to conduct the examination on October 2020, second week of October 2020, if everything else goes well. Otherwise, the exam could be postponed. So keep safe, keep healthy. So this is all about said by the institution. So friends, thanks for watching. As always, if you would like to get each and every information regarding AMI, once again I am requesting you, all of you, please subscribe our channel and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any further updates. Thank you.